Hi everyone, this is Math Ones. I'm your host, Mr. Valadez. This is a show about math questions and even better answers. Today we'll be working on long division. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to work with the number 84 divided by 2. Something simple just to kind of get us started. We're going to use the standard algorithm method, which is, looks like so. Our dividend is on the inside, our divisor is on the outside. Now, our first step is going to be in this green marker, and my first step is going to be to find out if 2 can go into 8, and that is yes, it can. 8 is an even number. 2 can go into 8, just to find out how many times. 2 times 4 is going to give me 8. 8 minus 8 is going to give me 0. Now, please notice, if you're having difficulties with it, I went 2 times 4, and that product that I gave you, 2 times 4 is 8, goes here. 8 minus that 8 will give me 0. Now I need to bring down that 2 there. Now I'm working with that 2 there. Now 2 can go into 2, and it goes into it 1 time, so 2 times the 1 will give me 2, and 2 minus 2 will give me 0. 0 means that I have no remainder, so the answer for this problem is 41. The next problem we do will not be as simple as this one. It will be a little bit more difficult, just to show you the method. So the problem that I will be working on is a little bit longer. We're going to go with 387 divided by the number 4. Now I just need to set up my page, my dividend on the inside, and then my divisor on the outside. And now my first step is to work with my first number, which is going to be that 3 there, and that's in the hundreds place. Now, can 4 go into 3? It cannot. 4 times 0 will give me 0. 3 minus 0 will give me 3. Now I can bring my 8 down so I can work with the two numbers. So now I have the number 38. 4 does go into 38, and it goes into it 9 times. 4 times 9 will give us the number 36. Now, for some of us who have trouble with that, you can use 4 times 10. We know 4 times 10 is 40. Minus 3 will give us minus 4 will give us 36, which means that 4 times the 9 is 46. So 4 times 9 is 36. 38 minus 36 will give me, 6 minus 8, or 8 minus 6, sorry, will give me 2. 3 minus 3 will give me 0. Now I need to bring my other number down, and that other number is the number 7. So bring that 7 down. Now I have 27, and we know that 4 goes into 27, and the number won't go over because 4 times 5 is 20. So 4 times 6 is 24. So we're going to go ahead and put the 6 on the very top here. 4 times 6, right there, is 24, and that goes here. 4 times 6 is 24. Now we subtract it. 27 minus 24, 7 minus 4 will give me 3. And 2 minus 2 will give me 0. Now this 3 here, you see there's no other numbers to work with. This 3 is going to move on up, and that's going to give me a remainder of 3. So I have 96, remainder 3. And this is the long division method, as you can see front and back of this problem. Very simple to do. You're working with one number. You're going to divide, then you're going to multiply, then you're going to subtract, then you're going to bring down that number that's next to it from whatever is your remainder. Then you're going to work with that number now, and then all you're going to do is 4 times 9 is 36, and that number goes there every single time. 38 minus 36 is 2. Now I bring down the 7. Then we do 4 times 6, which is 24. 27 minus 24 is 3. 3 goes up, remainder 3, right? The next video is going to go into using a different method of dividing, that is using boxes, kind of like the area model. It's a little bit neater, but instead of bringing down, we're going to be bringing up to the side. I'll give you a sneak preview in this video here. So here's your sneak preview. We're going to work with the number 39. 9 divided by 2, just so that we don't have a remainder. Let's go ahead and build 2 boxes. So this is 1 box. There's 2 boxes. Now I'm going to set up my problem. My divisor goes on the outside. My dividend goes on the inside. There's my 3, and there's my 9. Now, my first step for this method is, can 2 go into 3? Yes, it can. Not evenly, not correctly, but 2 times 1 is 2. Notice that that's where my 2 goes. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Check. Now, this number needs to be smaller than that number. Is it smaller than that number? Yes, it's smaller than that number because that's 1 and that's a 2. There we go. Bring over the 1 next to the 9. Now we have 19. And now we work with the 19. 2 goes into 19 at least 9 times. 2 times 9 is 18. 19 minus 18 is 1. Now that 1 will move up, and that is our remainder. And that is our answer. It is 19, remainder 1. There we go. Thank you for watching. Please watch the rest of the videos. I'll be posting a couple more today. And I hope that this helps you with your long division.